Okay, so I bought this Craftsman 2-cycle 42cc chainsaw at one of our local box stores up here in Canada. I'm going to do an unboxing and let you see what's going on, see what's inside of it. This is May of 2025. This model's been around for a bit. It's gone up quite a bit in price. I paid $250 for this, and we're gonna check it out and see what's doing. So it's got a 14-inch blade, and it's got also a 2-year limited warranty. So let's check it out and see what's going on in this box. Okay, so let's see what's going on. Warranty, and you also have, looks like a tool to tighten the chain. Okay. Two-cycle engine oil. Let's get this out of the box. And the chainsaw. Blade cover. That seems to be it. So let's put everything together and we'll get this thing going. Okay, so let's start getting it ready. The information here says always clean the air filter before each use, and it also gives you how to add the fuel and what kind of fuel to add. Fuel, basically a 40-to-1 ratio. Okay, add bar chain oil. Okay, so all the important information is in that little tag there, and also has instructions on how to get it going right there. This here, your pull lever. Right there is your on and off switch choke, and get the old fuel pumped in right there. On the side here, you will see on the red is where you would add the fuel, and here is where you would add bar oil right here. Okay, so let's start getting this thing ready, and we're going to get our first start of this chainsaw. Not quite sure what to make of it yet, but we'll find out. Okay, so let's get it ready. We'll put some fuel in. That's the red tab here. 40-to-1 mixture. All right. That's done, 40-to-1 mixture. And now for the chain oil. Bar chain oil. Okay. Put a little bit more. Okay. Get that in there. Tighten. Okay. Make sure you have eye protection. I'll get this off here. Last bit of instructions. Okay. And let's pull the blade. Protector off. All right. So let's prime it up. It says 10 pumps. I think I've done a bit more than 10. Okay. Choke. Out. Let's give her a couple of pumps. Make sure this is popped in, like so. Okay. Okay. Now I should have it on the ground. I'm just trying to show you what it's like when I'm standing up. I should have my foot down and actually pulling, but okay, choke in and okay. So it works, it starts. Okay, it seems to be going through like a knife through butter. This is like the first use of it. I spilled a little of the fuel on the side there, so it's getting a little steamy. But anyways, the first try, and I want to chop all this down. Well, I have a little ways to go, but as you can see, this done a pretty good job. It was like a knife, a hot knife through butter, going through all that. The only problem is I got a cleanup to do. So, if you like this vid, please like and subscribe, and I'll make more vids when I get a chance. Using a chainsaw is a lot of fun, but look at all this. Oh my god. All the cleanup I gotta do. I gotta see if I can find someone with a wood chipper. Or else I'm gonna be spending a weekend just breaking this down into small pieces. I like the chainsaw. It worked pretty good. And I still have a lot of stuff along the fence there that I gotta get rid of. So anyways, people, as I said before, I don't make any money in these videos, so if you can just give me a like, a subscribe, a comment, let the algorithm know that my channel exists, I really will appreciate it. But this didn't take very long to cut all this. There were some trees that were just getting big enough that if I didn't do it this year, I'd have a problem. I'd have to hire someone, but chainsaw did a pretty good job. Thank you very much.